Hello and welcome to this inner peace practice, a guided Yoga Nidra meditation designed for this self-care Saturday. In this session, we'll embark on a journey of deep relaxation and self-discovery, allowing you to connect with your inner peace and find solace within. Settle into a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting, in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Allow yourself this time to fully relax and nourish your soul. Begin by closing your eyes gently and taking a few deep, calming breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your chest and belly rise, and exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Let your breath find its natural rhythm, soft and steady. Allow your body to sink into the support beneath you, feeling the surface holding you gently. And as you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your body, noticing any areas of tightness or discomfort. With each exhale, imagine releasing that tension, letting it dissolve into the ground. This is your time for self-care, a sacred moment to pause and honor your inner being. Allow yourself to be fully present, setting aside any worries or distractions. In this space, you are safe. You are whole. And you are at peace. And now let's begin our journey inwards, moving through the layers of your being to discover the well of inner peace that resides within you. Start by bringing your awareness to your toes, feeling them gently relax. Slowly guide this awareness up through your feet, your ankles and your lower legs. Feel the warmth of relaxation as it travels up, soothing your knees, your thighs and your hips. As you breathe in, invite calmness. And as you breathe out, let go of any lingering tension. Now move your awareness to your abdomen. Feel the rise and fall of your breath here, gentle and rhythmic. Imagine a soft light glowing in your belly, expanding with each inhale and softening with each exhale. This light represents your inner peace, a serene presence that grows brighter with your breath. this light begin to spread, filling your chest, your heart and your lungs. Feel it soothe every beat, calming your pulse and quietening your mind. Now bring your focus to your hands and fingers. Allow them to relax completely. Feel the warm light of peace traveling up through your wrists, arms and shoulders, releasing any tightness or tension. And as you breathe, feel the gentle release, like a wave of tranquility washing over you. Continue guiding this sensation up through your neck, allowing your throat to soften and open. Feel your jaw unclench, your cheeks relax, and your eyes rest gently in their sockets. Take a moment to notice your entire body now, bathed in this peaceful light. You're surrounded by an aura of calm, a serene energy that radiates from within you. This is your inner peace, unshakable, constant, and always present, even in the middle of life's chaos. And as you rest here, gently bring your attention to your heart space. Imagine a beautiful, radiant lotus flower blooming within. This flower symbolizes your deepest self, pure and untarnished by external circumstances. With every breath, you see this lotus bloom more fully, its petals soft and luminous, expanding outwards and embracing you in its light. This is your essence, your true self, filled with peace, love, and light. Now take a moment to reflect on what inner peace means to you. Is it a sense of stillness, a gentle quiet in your mind, or perhaps a feeling of being deeply connected to yourself? Whatever it is, allow that sensation to wash over you, filling you from the inside out. You're not searching for peace outside of yourself. You're recognizing it within you. You are peace. Spend a few moments here, basking in the glow of your inner light. If any thoughts or distractions arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath, to the light within. You are the stillness amidst the storm, the calm within the chaos. Let this realization anchor you, grounding you in the present moment. And now, as we begin to close this practice, take a deep, nourishing breath in. And as you exhale, release any final remnants of tension or worry. Imagine sending your inner peace outwards, like ripples in a pond, touching all aspects of your life. Carry this tranquility with you, knowing it's always accessible, always within you. And now, as you prepare to come back to your waking state, begin to gently deepen your breath. And when you're ready, take a long, slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, move your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back into your body. Roll your shoulders, stretch if it feels good. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to reorient yourself, noticing the room around you, while keeping that sense of inner calm intact. And remember, the peace you cultivated during this meditation is always available to you. No matter what challenges arise, you have the power to return to this tranquil space within. You are your own sanctuary, your own safe haven. Carry this feeling of peace and self-care with you as you continue your day, knowing that you've nurtured your spirit and honored your inner self. Thank you for joining this inner peace practice on this self-care Saturday. You've taken an important step towards nurturing your inner well-being, and we hope this Yoga Nidra meditation has brought you the peace and calm you deserve. Feel free to revisit this session anytime you need to reconnect with your inner self. And until next time, take care of yourself, be kind to your mind, and remember that peace is always within reach.